So we are getting the 15-day SIM card. This is for 699 baht. The conversion is on the screen. We got the 5G version, but there's other options such as the 4G that are a lot cheaper. So make sure you look at that when you are looking for your SIM card. So today I ordered my first ever hot pot, and my brother has ordered duck. I personally have never had duck, so I think he likes it. And then my parents are getting soup, and of course they had to order it spicy. And yeah, here she is explaining how to correctly eat the hot pot. Here you put in the meat into the soup, and then once it's cooked, you take it out, and then you eat it. So hopefully this will taste good.
So it's like that's cool.
Yeah, right?
It's really cool. It's like a fondue pot.
Yeah. So you cook it in there?
Cool. Okay. But then what do you do with this? Or is this for ours?
That's for ours.
It's for ours. That's not big food. And then if you want spice.
Yeah. So that's in Brooklyn.
Okay.
Okay, Brooklyn?
Is this what you thought you ordered?
I don't know.
Our first hot pot.
Oh, we find that's what we ordered.
Yeah, you can show some of our soup.
Yeah. That's what we ordered. This is the Peace Resort, Koh Samui.
Oh, that's what they're doing. You can hear the sound thing.
There you go.
Are you excited? Christian? Are you excited? Yeah. What food do you want to eat while we're here in Thailand?
Sushi.
Sushi? But that's Japanese.
Oh. Soup.
What are you drinking right now?
Smoothie.
A watermelon smoothie? Cool. Describe it in 3 words. Your smoothie.
This?
Yeah.
It's good, it's not good, and it's kind of good.
That's not 3 words.
That's 3 words.
Say it in 3 solo words. Not 3 phrases, 3 words.
Good, bad, good. Or good, bad, medium.
Okay.
You want to go cheers? Cheers, everyone.
Welcome to vacation.
Yeah. Welcome to vacation, guys.
So this is our place. This is the small bedroom with 2 beds. And then we have the closet and the sink and the bathroom. Now over here in the living room, we have the main TV and the couch. Over here is the main bedroom. Then we have the closet. And then we have the main bathroom with the sink, bathtub, shower, and toilet. So we are going to walk along the beach toward one of the markets we found. There are many markets around Koh Samui, so hopefully we are able to try some of them. There are some shopping places around here, so we are going to look at those and maybe get something that can remind us of our trip to Koh Samui.
Crazy cookout. The best. Oh wow, look how clean that pool is. So the kids were feeling a little tired from last night, all the walking we did and all the sightseeing from the beach. So we decided to get up really early in the morning to go to breakfast and see what breakfast had to offer at the Peace Resort Koh Samui. A little bakery department. Information. Oh wow, look at what they got every day. They got a cooking class. Think about the cooking class?
Yeah.
Right? Happy hour, seafood, and theirs are different days. Cool. Take a look at a little breakfast. There's a little kid menu. Things to list at. Oh, here's a. These are all the different things that you can do. Cool. That's pretty cool.
This is adorable.
Yeah, this is adorable for like the kids.
Little pokey sticks for breakfast.
Yep, little kids, little thing. This is pretty cool. It's like a really cool. Yeah. Oh wow, look at breakfast. Salsa? Oh wow. Take a look at the beach, guys and ladies. Wow. This is what we were trying to show you last night, but take a look at this. This is awesome. This dog is like living its best life right now. Wow, look at this view. Oh, this is lovely. Awesome. All right.
Oh, it's spoon?
It's my spoon.
Oh, it's paper on the bottom.
Oh yeah, look at that. Is egg in here?
You did it perfectly.
Well, as best as I can.
That's
It's awesome.
paper.
Oh, is it?
This is paper.
Oh yeah,
You
that's
just
There's
paper.
paper
put
in there.
That's okay.
No, but there's more paper in
There you go. There we go. All right,
Paper
let me
with
try
a
this.
dumpling.
Good? Yeah.
Very good. Yeah, go ahead. Think of this sweet as I was thinking about. You guys like your smoothies? How is it?
Yummy. Real fruit right there.
Where do we get it?
That meat looks amazing.
Oh, barbecue.
see that?
DD barbecue.
Yeah. And the mango sticky rice.
Whoa, look at those waves. What do you do on your birthday when the waves are like this? It's been raining for last 2 days since we've been here? It is what it is. Wow, the last 3 days it's been raining, literally like cats and dogs. But I mean, it is what it is. We're not gonna let the rain stop us from our vacation. Our kids are having fun, so it is what it is. It's better than being in the desert where there's no rain. This is something that I've been used to forever, growing up in the country I grew up in. So I don't mind it. So everyone's got their raincoat, everyone's got their swimsuit, so it's nice. So, plus it's nice just to walk around. So, join us on our way to dinner. Okay, so we came during the middle of December, which is the end of the rainy season. Would you recommend going or come in during that time still, even though it rained 5 days out of the 5 days out of the stay that we're here?
I would recommend it because when it rains a little bit, it's really fun. But
What's so fun about it?
You can splash in puddles,
What else?
and some people like carrying umbrellas. And when it rains a lot, it's not really fun.
So are you 50-50 on it?
Yeah,
Yeah. So you would recommend it, then you wouldn't because it's
yeah.
okay. All right, Brooklyn.
I'm also 50-50. If you are more of the type of person who wants to chill and just like read a book or watch TV, then I definitely recommend it for you. But if you're more the person who wants to have an adventure, I would highly recommend going after the rainy season so that you can enjoy more of the outdoors.
Exactly, especially for people like us who's traveling so far of a distance. I don't think we're the type of family that like to stay indoors. So I think next time we'll probably come later on because it's going to be 50-50 as far as the weather being the way it is.